Guys, the crypto market is exploding. XRP is starting to form a very, very bullish pattern, and we could see some potential explosive action come out for XRP right now because we are creeping into the green. I want to talk to you guys about the price action, how high this could go, and also, our trades that we've been doing in the crypto market to make some quick money right now. So if you guys enjoy it, like the video, and if you guys are getting big gains in the crypto market, like as well. And guys, let's get straight into it. So just recently, you guys know the Bitcoin price, we've went to a record all-time high. This is very important for XRP as well. But if we actually jump into the BTC price right here, you guys can see we're starting to ascend. We're starting to ascend quite a lot. And just recently we put in those trades on the channel, and our BTC trade is cooking quite nicely. So we got in, where is it? About $104,000. So if you're ever in trading, one of the most important things you have to realize if you ever do short-term trading is what entry price you're getting into right now. So $104,000 for Bitcoin was a nice entry price. We're up about 25% on Forex leverage right there. And at the moment, though, there is euphoria. So lots of people are piling into crypto. And what I will say to you guys is just be careful, because a lot of the time when it spikes up like this, there can be manipulators who pull the prices back down. So you potentially could wait for another entry. You can see the stochastic RSI down the bottom. It's looking pretty hot. So it's looking pretty high in that regard. So I wouldn't be surprised if there is like a short-term, pullback. And that could be a potential entry into Bitcoin if you wanted to trade Bitcoin right now. But having said that, this is kind of creating the euphoria. This is kind of creating the sentiment for our XRP gains to flow through. And recently we also entered an XRP trade. So remember, I said to you guys on the channel, XRP, there's no guarantee it's dropping down to $2.10. So, some people wanted to wait for this entry point. I said, that might potentially not happen. So I actually entered into XRP at around, for short-term trading, in addition to the spot bag, where is it? At about $2.39. And just on Forex, that's about 7.24%, which is not bad. Again, it's not like mind-blowingly huge gains, but, it's not a bad level right there. And the thing right now, though, is XRP is gearing up. Right now, we have the hottest crypto market we've seen in a long time, and this is the perfect storm that is potentially brewing for XRP. So I would love to see XRP, rise in tandem with the rest of the crypto market right now. So you're going to see Bitcoin pumping, Ethereum pumping. We want to see XRP really start to pump. So if that starts to pump, I'm going to be happy with that, because we are seeing all these other blue chips starting to pump for Solana, and there's going to be plenty of trading opportunities on lots of these other ones. And so watch out for that. But this is creating the sentiment for us to explode to the upside. So in terms of resistance, levels we need to be watching out for. In terms of short-term price movements, I do think, look, breaking through this $2.45 level is going to be very important, because you can see it is a key area of resistance for XRP. So just have a look at how much resistance is in it. So we do need to break through here and push to the upside. I do think in terms of catalysts to actually make us explode to really high levels, I would think it would be perfect if Brad brings home a catalyst for us. So what do I mean by that? I mean like a big announcement, something to do with XRP, the ledger, something really good happening for XRP in terms of utility adoption. That's the stuff I think is gonna potentially surge us up. Some people are out there talking about a $20 plus XRP. So if we go to $20, look, I'm going to be super happy with that if we can capture the $20 level. But in the short term, even if we snake our way up to the next key level might be around this $2.70, $2.60 level, because that looks like another key level right there. So you can see it spike up to this. So if we capture that, that's going to be looking at some really nice short-term gains for XRP. And again, if you guys want to trade any of this, and again, it could be Pepe, it could be XRP, it could be Bitcoin, make sure to check out the links in the description of the video. We've got Blowfin, we've got some really good gains coming in, really good bonuses there. We've got Bitchnix, really good bonuses there. We also have Buy2Fi, and that can also give you free access to the VIP area of my Discord. So if you're looking for a community to trade with as well, check that out as well. Completely free if you're part of my community. So if you support the channel, use the bonus links, you get access to the free Discord VIP section right there where we talk trading. So that's going to be the main hub right now, building out the Legion with some really nice trades. And the goal is to make money, and hopefully we make a lot of money. So far, trade's been going great right now. So I think $2.70 is going to be a really good price target to watch out for XRP. And in terms of macro catalysts, guys, the crypto market's looking hot. So I think we could potentially be in a powder keg moment where, these prices do, explode. So if they do explode, I think XRP is going to be a big beneficiary of this. We're seeing just a ton macro bullish, sentiment coming to the crypto market. So we're talking, JP Morgan getting on it's going to be talking a stable coin. Trump's running away with this. US is dominating in Bitcoin and crypto, and we're going to keep it that way. So it's just an endless stream of positive news. And have a look at this one as well, which is definitely interesting. Kraken to offer tokenized US stock to users worldwide. Wow, that's a game changer. That is crazy big. And MicroStrategy is going to raise $2.1 billion to purchase more Bitcoin. So look, this Bitcoin price, if this continues to go up, XRP is going to be cooking. And I do think in terms of really big price spikes, I reckon just without the big macro catalyst, we could push the upside. But right now, if we get an announcement out of Brad or Ripple, this thing could, explode to a new all-time high. So we potentially might be see new all-time highs. So XRP, we could be going into a realm we haven't seen before. And I think that's going to be super, super, super exciting right now. So I think right now, if you have a bag of XRP, you're ready. It's going to start to cook. And I'm not going to be surprised. And you can see it a little bit right now if our trades start to really cook as well. So XRP, I just entered this one recently. But you can potentially get in on that as well. Get in on some trading action right here. And look, I got in at $2.39 and it's only $2.45. So we're still, cooking. And we have been trading Pepe as well. So Pepe's been our best performer. This potentially might go to like 100% gains soon as well. So Pepe, we know very much the meme coin market in the crypto space. So not surprised that's pumping. And there's going to be plenty of opportunities to make money as well. So if you're looking to make money, join a community, guys. Make sure to check out the bonuses. Get yourself some bonuses right here. Any of these crypto exchanges. We're going to be adding more as well to give you guys that full diversity and options. And then you can join into the Discord. Link will be in the description of this video should you wish. But guys, we're cooking. It's looking great. Fantastic. So congratulations to everyone making gains. I hope you guys make even more gains. And let's XRP to the moon. Let's go. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Crypto Zeus signing out.